Firestick sound not working on projector. Here's how you can fix that. Ensure the projector's volume isn't muted or turned down. Use the projector remote. Confirm the HDMI input is selected on the projector. Restart everything. That is, unplug the Fire Stick from power and unplug it from the HDMI. And then unplug the projector for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and plug everything in. Now, you can also test the projector and Fire Stick with a different HDMI cable or a different port if possible. And then make sure to use the Fire Stick when it is properly powered on. So if it is on low power, it may not work properly. Now, the second option for this would be to change the audio settings on your Fire Stick. You could do this by heading into settings, that's at the top of your screen, and then where we have select display and sounds, that's while it's being displayed on the projector. Simply click on display and sounds, head into audio or sound, look for surround sound or audio output, and then change it from the best available to stereo or PCM. Sometimes it may be listed as Dolby Digital. And then this would disable the surround sound that projectors often can't handle. All right.